Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, you need to open your device's keyboard. Then click on this gear located between clipboard and three dots. Following that, click on text correction. And as you can see, all typing features are over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!